Meaning of GRE.
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 GRE. GRE stands for Graduate Record Examinations, which is a standardized test used by many graduate and business schools to assess applicants' readiness for graduate-level academic work. The test measures verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, analytical writing, and critical thinking skills. It is typically offered in computer-based and paper-based formats and takes about 4 hours to complete. GRE scores are often used as one of several factors in admissions decisions and scholarship awards. Many test takers prepare for the exam through self-study or commercial prep courses. Overall, the GRE is an important part of the graduate school application process.